Hello everyone. In this video, AP SSC Public Examination General Science Paper 1 means Physical Science PS question paper with answer discuss of the today examination. Instruction is the first given out. First, this question paper consists of 4 sections and 17 questions. Internal choice is available only question number 12 in section 3 and for all the question in section 4. In the duration of 2 hours and 15 minutes of time is allotted to read the question paper. And the fourth point, all answers should be written in the answer booklet only. And next of the point, answers should be written neatly and legibly. Let's start the solution of the section 1. Note, answer all the question. Second, each question of the carries 1 marks. Give one example for exothermic reaction. What is the example? CH4 methane plus oxygen. What gives out? CO2 carbon dioxide plus 2 times of the H2O waters and the heat. This is the answer of the first exothermic reaction example. Next of the question number of the 2, name one metal which will not displace hydrogen from dilute acid. What is the answer? Is a multiple answer. First one is a copper, second is a silver, and third one is a gold. AU. This is the answer of the question number 2. Any one of the following example. Next of the question number of the 3. Develop a slogan, spread awareness about harmful effect of consuming alcohol. Don't drown your future in a glass. Say no to alcohol. Say no to alcohol. Say no to the alcohol. Any relevant original slogan is acceptable. This is a my slogan and student choice to other slogan. Question number of the 4. Distinguish convex and concave mirror based on any one property. A convex mirror is always from a virtual. Convex is a virtual and erect and diminish images, whereas a concave mirror can real and virtual. This is a convex की बात करें. This is a convex is a virtual and concave is a real image. This is the answer of the 4th question. What is the question number of 5? Define dispersion of the light. What is the dispersion of the light? The splitting of white light into its constituent 7 colors VIBGYOR when it passes through transparent medium like glass prism. This is the answer of the question number 5. Next question, how many 176 ohm resistor in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 volt line? What is the formula? Formula resistance equal to voltage upon current. What is the value of the given that 220 upon, what is the I value? I is a 5. Cancel out and 44 ohm. Resistance is a 44 ohm and an identical resistor in a parallel are equivalent. This is equal to R upon N. R equivalent is a given. R equivalent is a 44. Calculate is a 44 R equivalent, and R is a 176 by of n. What is the value? N equal to 4 is the right answer of the question number 6. Question number of the 7. Why is the series arrangement not used for domestic circuit? In a series circuit, if one appliance fails or turns off, the circuit breaks and all other appliances stop working. This is a possible answer of the seventh question. Someone writes relation V equal to IR. What is the SI unit of the volt ampere? What is the correct SI unit of volt ampere? This is a V equal to IR. What is the answer is a ohm. Answer is a ohm is the right answer of the question number 8. What is the next kind of the question and what is the level of the question? Answer all the question. Each question carries of the 2 marks. Question number 9. While diluting an acid, why it is prescribed that acid should be added to the water and not water to the acid? Question number of the 10. How would you distinguish an alcohol and ethanoic acid on the chemical property? That means difference between the ethanol and ethanoic acid on the chemical property basis of the difference table. And next question, this is a physics question. An object is placed at a distance of the u before concave lens of focal length f and the image form of the v. Rewrite the lens formula casing using the sign convectional. What is the question number of the 11th and answer? What is the answer? 1 upon f, this is equal to minus 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is the answer of this condition. And next of the question number of the 12. Draw any one of the following diagram. Yesterday suggest of the question. Draw a neat ray diagram for formation of image when the object is placed front at a concave mirror at the center of the curvature. Second condition is a between focal length and center of the curvature. And next of the question is the internal of the question. Draw a neat diagram to show electrolytic refining of a copper. And question number of the 13. To advantage of avoiding corrosion and thermite process. Next of the question number of the 14th. This is a paragraph. From the following information related to the refractive index, answer the following question. What is the answer of the question number of the 14? First one is a, if the refractive index of air is 1, what is the speed of light in air? What is the answer? 3 into 10 ki power 8 meter per second is the answer of the first question. An optically rare medium means having relatively less speed of light in the medium is a greater. Second one is a greater. Third is a, what is the unit of the refractive index? What is the unit? It has no unit. It has no unit. Next of the question number of the 4. Ravi said refractive index and the speed of light are inversely proportional. Raju said refractive index and speed directly proportional. Who is the correct? Ravi is the correct. Ravi is correct. Ravi is correct. The formula n equal to C upon V. C upon V. N equal to C upon V. N and V are inversely proportional. What is the next of the question on the section 4, and what types of the question? Question number of the 15. When a person myopic eye attempts to view a four object light ray converging in front of the retina, analyze the cause and the effect. How can you rectify this defect? This is a myopic of the topic of the question yesterday on the belonging to the subject. And the internal of the question, Daedalus, the 1 upon rp equal to 1 upon r1 plus 1 upon r2 plus 1 upon r3. This is a derivation of the parallel combination of the series. And question number of the 16, explain any four types of the chemical reaction with one example. Displacement reactions, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, double displacement. This is important of the question. And explain the mechanism of the cleaning action of the soap. And next of the question, explain the experimental procedure to study the magnetic field due to current through a circular coil. And next of the question, explain the experimental procedure to observe the copper sulfate crystals contains water of the crystallization. How much score of the prediction this question paper suggest out of the comment box. Thank you so much watching the video. Like and share and comment the video. Thank you.